We just boarded yung premium bus from Pohang to Busan. Ang ganda ng bus na to, na very spacious yung legroom. Then meron siyang customized na individual charging station. Pwede kang mag-recline. So, spacious yan. Parang this is the parang second or third last trip na. So from Pohang to Busan, it will take mga almost 2 hours na trip. So instead of staying overnight here in Pohang, we decided to go from Busan. Very liberal yung kanya. Then yan, seat reclinable. Ayan o, recline. Kakalis lang. So, alasing talaga yung biyahe. Then captain seat, leather siya. Very nice. So parang difference is parang 2,000 won from the regular bus. That's around 2,000. 80 pesos. No? The time check is 9:03. Yung temperature kanina is pinataasan, but sa labas I think the temperature is below 0 degrees.